This is the Fconegy car jump starter. As you can see here, it comes in a very nice carrying case. It's sort of a hard case, so it protects the content very nicely. It's got a little handle here and a nice zipper. Inside the box, first we have the user's manual, and it's got pretty nice written instructions in there that you can go through. And you also have a warranty card. And then in the upper pocket, we have first the jumper cables. They're not very long, but I think they're long enough for you to just put it under the car and jump your battery when you need it. It does have a EC5 connector on one end that connects to the battery. And then here are your alligator clamps. They are nice and firm. You also have a cigarette adapter to your EC5. And a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging your charging the battery. And that's everything on the top compartment. It's got a little mesh here. And then here you have a nice protective flap that protects the actual jump starter battery. And it's got nice foam all the way around it for good protection when you're carrying it. It's surprisingly light, maybe 2 pounds or so. Here you have the LCD screen. On the side you have power button. On one end you have a flap, nice rubber flap. And here's the EC5 connector. USB port for charging cell phones and whatnot, and your charging port USB-C. On the other end, you have 2 LED lights. If you hold down the power button, if you long press it, the lights will come on. And if you short press it one more time, it'll flash. If you short press again, it'll flash red. You short press again, it'll just turn off. And up here, once you press the power button, you can see your battery percentage. Very nice. It's very easy to read. And here's the back of the unit. All right, thank you for watching.